You gentle people, Wagwan. So, welcome back to the channel once again. And as you can tell by the video title, that this is going to be another quote-unquote channel update video, but it's going to be a tad bit different than last time. Of course, let's just get right into it. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe for more, content, funny stuff, I guess. Yeah. But yeah, so first things first, I must say thanks to the recent persons that actually came on and subscribed to the channel. Thanks for the support. Thanks for jumping on the probably I shouldn't say bandwagon, but just thanks for the support. Thanks for tuning in, even dropping a comment here and there. It's really appreciated. I basically read all the comments, so yeah. And I guess you guys can attest to that, really. So but anyway, that aside, so with the last channel update video that I did about 2 or 3 weeks ago, or probably 4 at this point, has it been that long? I don't know. But anyway, the point is, with that video, I was more on the, what do you guys want to see? I didn't really get much feedback on that video when I think about it now. So what I really wanted to do with this video is basically kind of go more in depth with what I want to do with the channel going forward. Now, thinking back to when this channel started in January, it started based around just plays from Stages Productions and RBT Productions, basically. So there was that. I came into it with the idea that it was just solely based around plays, the actors, probably behind the scenes, stuff like that. But recent there have been things that have been going on recently that I've been privy to, that I won't say here, but basically it's something relating to a thought I've had for a few years. Well, probably I shouldn't say a few years. The point is, I want to evolve the channel. I don't want to limit the channel just to theater or plays or anything. I want to grow the channel in the direction of entertainment in general, really. So the idea here is that plays, where it's possible, plays and theater and behind the scenes and stuff like that, and skits and those stuff will still be on the channel. That's not going to change. But I want to expand my horizons, essentially. So whether it be discussion videos on probably some dance group in, say, Mobay, for instance, or Kingston, or here or there, or if it's a person that I could highlight that can sing like that, that probably can do covers or whatever, stuff like that, basically. Just kind of going outside the box of what the channel actually started with, without throwing away the box, basically. So yeah, that's really and truly it. Entertainment is broad, and I was even at a little, what was it? Yeah, last week I was at a little anime convention here in Jamaica, just to show you. And it clicks to me that there's so much to cover here in Jamaica, entertainment wise, whether it be parties, whether it be plays like what the channel started with, whether it be dancing or whatever. Could be anything. So it could be even gaming. I mean, we have a vast set of people here in Jamaica, and a lot of you people find different things entertaining. So why not become a channel that can probably not cover everything, because I could get lost in the in all that, but there are a lot of things I find fun, entertaining. So why not go ahead and just go out there, have discussions, highlights, and different stuff, whether it be parties, dancing, music, anime. I know some people might not probably say, okay, you're growing up or whatever, but a lot of people here locally like anime, believe it or not, including me. So why not have discussion videos about all of these things, highlight videos, reviews, or whatever it is. Of course, you guys can also still leave a comment to let me know what you guys think. That's always on the table, that hasn't been thrown out. So you basically get what I'm saying at this point. So there's that. I might get back to that, but moving on for now. The second thing is really and truly the next play that you guys will be getting on the channel here, which I'll start uploading this weekend, so you can stay tuned for that. I hope everybody enjoyed Shibata Comes to Town. Yeah. And still funny enough, I actually still haven't watched that play myself, even though I've uploaded it. It's crazy, I know. But I hope everybody enjoyed it. But yeah, I did mention the list of plays I have on the previous channel update video, but I think what I might go with for the next one is Money Worries. I think I might go for that. And then probably Bashment Granny, and then Bashment Granny 2 after that. So yeah, so stay tuned, and let me know what you guys think. Well, you guys are always commenting basically, so yeah. But really and truly, that's all I have for this one. So I mean, in summary, you guys can just expect the unexpected, I suppose, within the confines of like entertainment. So yeah, so I'll be basically trying that thing with the channel essentially and see where it goes. You guys let me know what you think. But anyway, rate, comment, subscribe. Bunny here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.